is our first symposium.
Yep.
We've been in existence for about 3.5 years. So we started out that we wanted to get 75 people. I'm excited to tell you we have over 125 registered. We have close to 20 vendors, so it's beyond my expectations.
Yeah.
You know, we are in the middle of a renaissance, the golden period of implant dentistry. It's not behind us, it's now and it's in front of us. And by that I mean that the participation level now of dentists is getting higher and higher. We think that 80 or 90% of the dentists in the future will be involved in implant dentistry. They may not be inserting implants, but they'll be restoring implants or treatment planning implants.
It's fun to do all the work that we do on animals and trying to learn scientifically what's going on around implants, and then to be able to come out and share that, because no matter what you do, if you can't translate that into patient care, then it's not as much fun.
You can see the 3D representation of the handpiece, and I know if I'm accurate in the center window, I can touch anywhere I want to.
We started off in oral surgery, and since then we've kind of grown to selling everything that has to do with instruments in implant dentistry.
We're looking forward to 2 great days of learning as, you know, the team has brought together some of the brightest minds in implant dentistry.